Wow!
Stop scrolling. Ye 5-minute fruit chaat aapki body ko fat burn mo. Skin ko instant glow. Or mood ko happy boost ghee. 0 oil. 0 sugar. Pure natural power. Orange for vitamin C immunity. Banana for energy plus potassium. Pomegranate for blood purification. Or roasted groundnuts for that crunchy protein punch. Squeeze lemon for detox freshness. Upar C sprinkle karo chat masala plus kala namak for that mouth-watering tangy hit. Or agar thoda mitha pasand hito 1 teaspoon honey. Optional but magic. Ab gently toss karo or deco K's colors explode like a rainbow. Yajim K bod and watch your body transform. Eat this daily as breakfast, evenings, because next recipe is even more insane. Pasand ito like dabo, share karo. Or comment karo more healthy recipes.